Hi, my Chambers family. It is I, Mary. Welcome to your new 2025 planner and recipe book. I just wanted to give a brief tutorial on how to use. Pretty basic. Down here at the bottom is your page turner. Here is your navigation or your dashboard and home. So if you click on home on any of the pages, it'll take you back here. I've got your months at a glance. You can either use the side tabs or you can go here. Okay, I've just kind of put in December for the rest of this month. Okay, I've also got in your chamber selections. You're ready to serve. Oh, my neighbor's dog is out. He comes out and says good morning to everybody. Your inventory, you can download this and print it or use it in an app, and I'm going to do another tutorial for that because then you can use the stickers and there's instructions for the stickers. Okay, that's great for your meal plans. Okay, the meal plans are up here, so you can just put in different things or appointments or whatever you wish. And of course the recipe book. They're all kind of listed here, but yeah, so here's the recipe book and some quick recipes in here as well. Okay, and what you can do up here is these 4 squares. You can flip through the pages and see what's there. You can add in tabs. So if you want to add in a bookmark, say you want to make these buffalo chicken stuffed shells and you want to save that page, you can bookmark it. So page 63 is bookmarked. Okay, and of course if you make it, you're going to take a picture and post it in our foodie group to share with everyone. So once you've made it and you want to get rid of that bookmark, you can edit and then delete. I think that's pretty much it. You can do a search. You can make it larger. Of course, I'm doing this on my tablet. And you can download this, okay? So you can download it and then print it or download it to add to an app. I use Samsung Notes. It's awesome. So I'm going to do a tutorial on that after. Okay, so anyways, welcome. Merry Christmas to you all. And just of course, here's my contact information. I've got a Chambers booklet. If you want to share that with friends and family, I can give you the link. And if you do download, you can add on your own recipes here. Okay, so my contact info for your referrals, because that's what I'm here for. And so there you go. Enjoy. Thanks so much and Merry Christmas.